D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer.
Hey, welcome back to a very short week of what's new in the RC shop. Yes, I'm sorry, guys. We only have what you see on the table ordered this week, and that's because I have held off ordering because Thursday, me and my dad and a bunch of guys from the store, there's 9 total of us, all go to Watkins Glen International Speedway for the NASCAR weekend. We've done it for several years in a row now, and I didn't place any orders because me or my dad's not going to be home to accept the orders. So I had to kind of hold off. But next week I've already got a pretty decent size order that's scheduled to be delivered on Monday. All right, so let's take a look at what we got this week. If you're interested, I am going to do a video from the race. So we are guests of the BJ McClure racing team, and we'll be in the pits on Saturday. So I'll have some really cool videos of the cars, what's going on in the pits, things like that. So as you can see, there's a chassis kit in there, and we got 2 of the Valentino Rossi Slash, and looks like there's probably some parts and stuff in there. Let me pull it all out so you can see it. And so here's everything. That long thin box was actually the pegboard backer that Traxxas has. So what I'll do is I'll put that up on the pegboard and then put all the hooks in it. So instead of my pegboard at the store being a solid white, it's now going to have Traxxas logos, things like that on it, and then all the parts will be hanging off of that in front of it. But that is it. So we had the 2 Slashes, the TRX-4 chassis kit. We got a e-Revo body, and just a couple parts. So I did want to let you guys know that as of yesterday, Monday, Traxxas has discontinued the TRX-4 Tactical. So the kit itself, right now for the dealers, the bodies are still available, but the kit itself has been discontinued, and they're going to be making an announcement here shortly as to kind of what's replacing that. So look forward to that. I will definitely release it on my Facebook page and anywhere else, social media, Instagram, things like that we have. So, all right, it was a short week, guys, but I will post some videos of the NASCAR race if you're interested in watching any of that. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, and we'll definitely see you next week